Hey dear fellow organization enthusiasts, ever found yourself drowning in clutter, dreaming of a more organized and stress-free life? Well, you are in for a treat. Today we are diving deep into the enchanting world of home organization hacks. And trust me, it's a game changer. So grab your favorite drink, cozy up, and let's unlock the secrets to a beautifully organized home. Before we jump into the hacks, let me share a little secret with you. Once upon a time, my life was a constant battle against the chaos, overflowing closets, misplaced keys, and then I discovered the magic of home organization hacks. It transformed my living space and, more importantly, my entire outlook on life. Imagine coming home to a sanctuary where everything has its place. It's not just about tidying up, it's about recalming your peace of mind. So let's embark on this curious quest for clarity together. Our first hack is a simple question. What sparks joy in your life? Channel your inner Marie Kondo and declutter with intention. It's not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about making room for what truly matters. By curating your space, you are creating a heaven that resonates with positivity and harmony. Now let's dive into the next chapter for our home organization saga. Picture this furniture that not just there for looks but serves a dual purpose. Our second hack. Our second hack introduces the marvels of multifunctionality. Say hello to ottomans with secret storage compartments and coffee tables that moonlight as desks. It's like a magical space-saving dance. Who said furniture can't be versatile? Embrace the magic of multifunctionality and watch your space alive with possibilities. Now let's talk about the sentimental storage chronicles. We all have those items we can't let go of, right? Well, our third hack is all about cherishing memories while keeping things organized. Transform your sentimental clutter into a curated display that tells your unique story. It's not about hiding memories away. It's about celebrating them in a way that brings warmth to your heart and your home. As we approach the grand final of our organization journey, let's talk about routine resonance. Establishing simple daily routines can turn chaos into calm, transforming your space and mindset. It's not just about cleaning, it's about fostering a connection with your living environment. A little effort every day resonates through your space, creating a symphony of order and tranquility. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to home organization hacks. I hope these enchanting tips help you create a space that sparks joy and reflects the magic within you. Remember, it's not just about organizing your home. It's about crafting a narrative that resonates with your soul. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep the magic alive in your home and your heart. If you have enjoyed this burst of inspiration, don't just stop here. Hit that like button to show your appreciation. Subscribe for more doses of creative brilliance and don't forget to share with your fellow design enthusiasts. Let's build a community that thrives on inspiration and innovation together. Your support fuels the creative fire. Like, subscribe and share now, because great design is meant to be celebrated and shared. Thank you for being part of this design journey with us.